What is up, guys? Hector Rodriguez tuning in. I'm gonna do a daily recap. And today I actually only made $53, but I wanted to basically talk about how even though I only made $53 today, and yesterday I made $126, which I actually made a video on yesterday, so I'll link that in this video, is that today's trade, even though I made less, was a better trade than yesterday's two trades that made me more money. And I know that's counterintuitive. It's hard to kind of like make sense of it. But the reason today was a good trade, even though I made less money, is because I followed my rules as a trader. I analyzed the stock. I analyzed the stock. I analyzed my entry point, and I analyzed my exit point. And I felt very confident setting my limit order, right? So it's very important as traders. It's very hard in the beginning because you just kind of want to make money and you kind of want to get lucky, to just submit market orders, meaning that you just basically click a button and you get filled into that stock, into that trade at the current market price. But when you actually make an educated guess, you right, because we don't actually know what's going to happen. We just basically use history, technical analysis to predict what is very likely to happen with the stock. So I analyzed an entry point where I found where I thought was a good support level, and I got filled at that level. And obviously I had my order to I had my stop loss basically to cut my losses if it were to keep going down to a certain price that I considered to be breaking support, and also had my limit order to sell if what I thought was going to happen, what I would hope was going to happen, and what did happen were to occur, meaning the stock would go up to a certain price and I would automatically sell out for a profit, which is what happened today. So I traded AUVI, and today AUVI was a leading gapper. It was a momentum stock. It was a morning gapper stock. It was up approximately, let me see, about 32, low 30s. 30, low 30s percentage, so about 33% up in pre-market. And I just fully had the confidence to get in this stock, in this trade. It's a pattern that I've seen before, and I set my limit order. Let's see, as you can see right here, $53, and then right here $3, insignificant. That was actually an accidental trade. That was actually by accident. The real trade was right here, AUVI for $53. And let's see, I got filled at 11.19, and I was able to set my limit order at around 11.50, 11.55, and that's where I sold my shares for that $53 profit. Right? Does that make sense, mathematically speaking? Let me see. Yeah, I sold some shares at 1140s and in the 1140s, and some in the 1160s, for an average price of about $53 for those. Let's see. Actually, no, I take that back. It wasn't 500 shares. It was 150 shares. That makes more sense mathematically. And honestly, it feels good, even though in the beginning you want to make the big bucks, $200, $300, $400, $500. It's very important to see that your analysis is working, right? Your entry points and your your hopeful exit points, because it just gives you the confidence to size up later in the future when you see a certain pattern that is similar to the one that you made a good trade on. And it's really easy to go down the route of basically submitting a market order, and then it goes against you, and then you get emotional and you lose money, and then you're beating yourself up because you knew that you broke your rules. You just didn't have the discipline, right? So yeah, I just wanted to make this video very, very sweet and straight to the point. It was only $53, right? I know it sounds crazy. I already said it. I made more yesterday, but this was a better trade. This trade gave me more confidence because I analyzed my entry, like I mentioned. I analyzed my exit, and what I expected to happen happened, and then the stock actually ended up dipping for the rest of the day. So definitely a good trade today. Definitely happy about it. You can always size up later after you gain more confidence, and it's just a patient game that we have to play in the stock market. Now, what was the news on this play? I forgot. Honestly, I forgot what the news on this play was, but it was good news with the company, and even if it's temporary, and I was able to execute on it with confidence. Right, you wanna get in these stocks with confidence. But that is it, guys. Straight to the point. If you're interested in any of this stuff, maybe you already do trade the stock market. Maybe you're thinking about getting into the stock market. Feel free to subscribe, because it definitely gives me the I mentioned it yesterday. It guides me. It gives me confidence to keep making these videos. And honestly, making these videos is very helpful for me as well, because it holds myself. I hold myself accountable, and I get to go over the trade that I made, whether good or bad, at the end of the day. And it's very good to always analyze your trades, whether they're green trades or red trades. And that is it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video, and peace out. I'll see y'all next time.